Alright guys, here we go. Made a new trail. Gonna try it out. Little XR80. My son's on the XR70. Doing some work back here, and the tractor went down on us, so we're kind of in the middle of cleaning up all these trees, so it's got this track messed up. I haven't drove this but one time, but it kind of went through here with a machete and cleared out the spot. We'll have it beat out in no time. Need to put some flagging though. Looks like it's kind of sketchy with them cypress knees. Go slow. But watch them little cypress knees. Need to open that up a little bit right there. Yeah, alright. You gotta get it up a little bit. Trying to learn how to hop trees. Put it in neutral. Gotta clear this out some. No, he cheated on that one. You want to go down here a little bit?
Yeah, down there?
Yeah. I'll let you lead. Lead. usually ride this bike, and I'm on the 70, but that 70 is way too little for me. Usually underwater, but it's been so dry lately. Usually it's just a bunch of four-wheelers in here on the tie line. I didn't have my mic plugged in. We just been all over the place too. Better get on it. Little hill climb. That's a little 80. Been bored out. It's pretty mean. I'm just shy of 200 pounds and it'll go with me. Hey, we got to redo the whole beginning. Why? I didn't have the mic plugged in.
I don't really care. We get to ride again.
Yeah. Maybe you'll be used to the track a little better.
Yeah.
We'll turn around and take the high line back.
I want to turn around at the road.
At that road?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to go down it.
All right. Ruts are getting them. We gotta go around this. Crazy thing is I paid $500 for this, and I think $700 for the 70, and this 80 rips. I had to do very minor work to it. New clutch cable. Trying to find the way in. Yeah, we could win it. Alright, we'll go right here. I had to put a new clutch cable, and I bought this because he had a hard time clutching it. And this is a nice CNC, which I don't really care for their stuff, but it's actually pretty nice. It's been on here for a while, and it makes the clutch super easy, and it's been holding up. I mean, he's even had a few wrecks, and it's still there. The only thing I got left to do on this is put a new piston in it, because whoever bored it out, I don't know if they put the rings in upside down, but it don't smoke, but the compression is not all there. That little 70 has more compression than this. And when it gets warm, it's kind of hard to start. So that's a sign of pretty good sign of it not sealing. But my conclusion is the rings are upside down, or since it's set up for so long that the compression rings have seized. But I'm gonna get some new rings, a new seal kit. What did he say? What?
I went down where the little drop with the wood.
No, did you?
Yeah, I'm glad I had my butt back. Over the
handlebars. Kind of lost track. I need rings, seal kit, and a hone. And I use ball hones. I've always used ball hones. I just don't have any for this size cylinder. But I took a bore scope and looked down in there, and it's pretty good. There's no grooves or nothing. I'm pretty sure it's just something with the rings not sealing correctly. Well, this thing's going to be a beast with full compression, because it already rips. Now, I had a little 80 XR when I was growing up, and it didn't have near what this one has. Ruts. Stay on the gas. Make sure you're still upright.